welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning OG. My name is Keyana, and today I'm bringing you guys some hair content. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my first retwist on my locks. And y'all, I am so proud of myself because yeah, I did it. Like, I was so freaking nervous. I was so scared. I'm like, I hope I don't mess up my hair. I hope I don't do it wrong, because I would just be so upset because y'all, I've only had my locks in a month. I put my starter locks in on July 1st. It is now August 9th, right? Yes, it is now August 9th, and I have been running into some problems with, some of my twists unraveling. So I did have to go in and, put rubber bands on some of them. I actually talked to some of my friends who have locks, and also just doing my own research on, how to manage starter locks and stuff like that. So putting rubber bands on the ends of the twist that just constantly unravel was one of the methods, so that's what I did. So yeah, I just want to kind of bring you guys up to speed because I did not talk about me starting my lock journey yet on my channel. So as I just mentioned, your girl started her lock journey on July 1st. I did decide to go with the two-strand method to start off my twist. I thought about doing the comb coils, but I just felt like they weren't going to last on my hair, especially because if I was running into problems with two-strand twists not staying on my hair, I just didn't think that the comb coils would work. I didn't even bother to try it just because I just felt like two-strand twists would have been just a lot easier. For one, I have extremely thick hair, like thick AF hair. And I just, like I said, I felt like two-strand twist was just going to work best for me. I did do these myself, like my starter locks myself, and they're the perfect size. I did do like the brick type of pattern for my locks. So yeah, parting is pretty straight and even all the way around. Only my parting, like once I got up here, I don't know, like the parting kind of got off, and like my middle part kind of is like a little zigzag, but it's cute. It's cute, very, very cute. I like it a lot. I think I just mentioned that I love the size that I did for my locks. Like, they are so perfect, and I just can't wait for them to mature. I am still in the baby stages. I think I'm gonna be in the baby stages for maybe a year, but I mean, I'm kind of locking up a little bit quicker than I kind of thought I was. Like, I got the budding and the frizz and stuff happening a lot sooner than I thought I was, so that's a very good thing. I am a licensed cosmetologist, but I am not like a licensed loctician, so I don't know everything about having locks, but I am doing my research. So as I continue to grow and build my lock journey, I will definitely bring you guys information that I learned about my hair. So just in case if you have like the hair type that I have, and certain products that I'm using work for me, I'll let you guys know. And then some products that don't work for me, I'll definitely let you guys know that in future videos. But yeah, today's video is just real simple, me showing you guys how I actually twist my hair up. I don't have any before pictures because when I did do my two-strand twist the first time, I just completely forgot. I honestly completely forgot. But I did take some before pictures today, so you guys can kind of see the difference between my new growth and kind of like how my hair is twisted and laying a lot better now. So I'll definitely include those in the video clip as well. And then I did take a little bit of footage for the before, so you guys can see the difference. And yeah, that is it for the little intro. So let's get into how your girl actually did her first retwist, so you guys can see what I did. And if you have locks yourself, or you have a family member that has locks, please don't be afraid to drop a comment down below to let me know if I was doing anything wrong, to let me know what I can do better. Drop some products down below that I can use in my hair to help my hair stay moisturized, to the best shampoo for locks. Let your girl know, because I definitely will like the freaking feedback, because I want to have a healthy hair journey, and I could definitely use y'all help. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a huge thumbs up, like smash that like button down below, okay? Also, join the crew, boo. Okay, I know y'all always watching my videos like, I look at my analytics, it's telling me y'all always coming back, y'all always watching, y'all always leaving comments, but you're not subscribing. Like, what's good? Like, why you always coming back but you're not subscribing? Like, it's okay if you forgot. That's why I be reminding y'all in these videos. So I'm gonna remind you right now. So before the video even start, let's hit that subscribe button, join the crew, because you know you keep coming back. Like I said, you might as well. You did it, boo. Okay, so that is your ticket into this video. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for sit up there and miss your touch.
Hey crew, so it's voiceover Key on this thing. So here I am serving and giving looks, baby. My skin look good, okay? But here I am after freshly shampooing my hair. Y'all, I did not go in and condition. I only shampooed my hair. I did shampoo 2 times just to really clean my scalp and to clean my hair. Now I know y'all probably like, well, why didn't you condition? A lot of the people that I've spoke to said to kind of stay away from conditioning your hair, because if you don't get all of that product out of, like, you know, your hair, it can cause mold, and baby, I don't want that. So I just stayed away from conditioning. I will get my moisture from the oils that I do use on a regular. So here are the products that I'll be using for my lock touch up. I'm going to be using the double prong clips, a comb, a ponytail holder, and an oil to do my lock touch up. I think next time I want to actually try maybe a lock gel or a lock, you know, pomade, maybe, I don't know. But my mom and a couple of my friends told me to just use water and oil, so that is what I'm doing. But y'all know I'm extra and I love trying new stuff. So like I said earlier in the intro, if you guys have any, you know, products that you use for, you know, your lock retwist, or if you know of a good lock product, definitely leave it down in my comments so I can check it out. So here I am, just parting out the last section of my hair. Y'all, don't come from my kitchen and those little beady beads, them little naps back there. I have not had an edge up in a hot minute, but I'm gonna get one soon, okay? Just leave me alone, don't come for me. So I pretty much just parted out that section with my hand, and then I kind of just cleaned up the part with the comb, as you guys can see. Now my hair kind of dries really fast, like it soaks up water, like it just soaks up water like so crazy. So I did not show, but also a water bottle is definitely needed for a lock retouch. So yeah, keep a water bottle near you. So I pretty much just sprayed this twist again, and then I started to twist at the root, and then I kind of just twisted it down. I didn't actually like palm roll like, you know, most people do, because I don't have that technique all the way down. But once I, you know, get used to actually, you know, redoing my own hair, I think I'll probably get the hang of it. But for the method that I was doing, it actually turned out really perfect, so I'm not too upset. But yeah, as I mentioned before, you guys, this is actually my first time ever doing my own, you know, locks touch up, or doing locks in general. I think I've done locks maybe one time when I worked in a salon fresh out of hair school, but after that I can't remember the last time I ever did locks or touched them up. This process was really easy, and I was nervous for no reason. So what you guys see me doing is what I did for my whole entire head. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch that and vibe out to the music, and then I'll pop back in when I need to.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. We do what we want. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
I ain't flexing like these bitches do. You could see it in my pictures, bitches, nothing new. I ain't talking about my revenue. Blessed with every second that I get to do exactly what I dreamed of when I was a little kid. It's a dream, never thought I would get to live. So now I ain't trying to catch up to you. All I can be is authentic, you gon' get the truth. It's the truth, hey. I ain't really got no bling, I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I ain't really pop no tags, really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it, that's the truth. Got it, I got it, yes I do. Heavy upon me, I'm lonely without my Louis on me. I ain't dripping ice, no new freezer, but I'm tryna live life every day, same way I wanna leave it. Can't name my price, but I'm riding in a Beamer. Yeah, ain't no two-seater, more room to kick my feet up. Feeling like a boss-ass bitch these days. Life is more than just getting paid. Yeah, you could bet your chips, hope and wish and lose it all so quick these days. Yeah, this the gift mama gave me, yeah, this the way daddy raised me. And when I get stressed, I just remember I'm blessed. Ain't no complaining, I ain't changing. I ain't really got no blame, I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I ain't really pop no tags, really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it, that's the truth. I got it, yes I do. Heavy upon me, I'm lonely without my Louis on me.
Okay, so voiceover key is back on his thing, y'all. So here I am with all of the clips in my hair. Now this is the part where my stomach literally fell into my ass because I was so nervous because I couldn't see if I did it right until after I came from under the dryer. So here I am setting up the dryer, y'all. Now I did sit under the dryer for 2 hours with the heat on low, and I didn't have anything to do today, so I was just chilling, y'all, like legit chilling. I went and got me some snacks. I had my hot Cheetos and a Sprite on deck, okay, and I had a movie playing. I was watching Girls Trip, y'all. That movie funny as hell. If y'all have not seen it, go check it out. But yeah, so here I am getting comfortable, got my hot Cheetos, got my Sprite, you feel me? So yeah, I was just chilling. I was on Instagram and I was just vibing, because when you go to the salon, you sitting under the dryer for hella long anyways. But yeah, I sat under here for 2 hours. It took me only an hour to actually fully touch up my locks, so I was very happy about that because I thought it was going to take me forever, but it actually was a lot quicker than I thought. So here I am taking out these clips hella fast, like Speedy Gonzalez, like clip out, okay? I'm a whole clown. But when I took out like the first 2 rows of the clips, I seen that I did do my touch up the correct way, and y'all, I was jumping inside. I was so happy, and when y'all see these slow-mos, y'all just gonna see how happy and filled with joy I was, because I was feeling myself because I wasn't looking crusty dusty anymore. So yeah, here I am. I was just feeling around to make sure that I got all the clips out, because honey, sometimes you could be forgetting them little old clips, especially if they at the root. So yeah, I was just patting around to make sure I got all of them out. And then here I am adding some oils into my hair. So I went in with the olive oil nourishing sheen spray. This one has like coconut oil and a bunch of other amazing oils in it. So I just went in and sprayed this in my hair. Then I actually went in with some tea tree oil to be my all over hair oil. I actually ran out of Jamaican black castor oil for, to do this part with. So I definitely have to pick up some of that. But remember, you guys, to comment down below some of your favorite oils to use in your hair. And if you have locks and you're watching this video, definitely leave some oils down below so that I can check them out and try them out in my hair. So yes, y'all, the last part was to just pretty much add some moisture back into my hair, and I was just overall very, very happy, very pleased, because y'all, I went from looking crazy, crusty, dusty. I ain't gotta wear a bonnet no more because I was sure enough wearing a bonnet every single day for the past 2 weeks because my hair was looking like this, y'all. Could y'all believe it? Like, I was looking crazy, okay? But then I look like this. Wait, that part of the video ain't come up. Hold up. I'm still showing y'all the before. Tik Tok, Tik Tok, Tik Tok. Okay, we get it. This is what I look like before. And then boom, y'all, I was looking cute or whatever. Look at me feeling myself. Yes, girl, you better shake them little baby locks, okay? Y'all can see my parts. Y'all can see the little cuteness going on. Yes, baby, I'm feeling myself. And then this red lippy is giving grown and sexy. Like, yes, we love. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed spending time with your girl. I want to give y'all a huge thank you for actually stopping by my channel and supporting what I do. Y'all mean the world to me. Journey to 10K is on the way. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and join the crew. Also, smash that like button down below if you enjoyed this video. Remember to share with your friends and family. And I will catch y'all in the next one. I have some other content on my channel, so make sure you guys check out those videos as well. And as always, be kind and be thankful. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Mwah.